Welcome to A to Z Summary YouTube channel. Here is a detailed analysis and summary of the poem La Belle Dame sans Merci by John Keats. For regular updates, I request you to subscribe our channel. Also, you can join our community by becoming a member of our channel. You get access to a whole range of exclusive perks that will take your experience to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Joining our channel membership is easy. Just click the join button below to unlock all these amazing perks and support our channel directly. Your membership helps us create more content and improve our videos for everyone. The themes of the poem are: the literary devices in the poem are: La Belle Dame sans Merci, written by John Keats, is a ballad composed in 1819. It is one of Keats' most famous and often anthologized poems, capturing the haunting and mysterious nature of love and beauty through a medieval setting. Below is a detailed retelling and explanation of the poem, stanza by stanza, to help understand its intricate narrative. The poem opens with a speaker encountering a knight who appears to be in distress. The knight is alone and wandering aimlessly, looking pale and sickly. The surroundings reflect his condition. The lake's sedge, a type of grass, has withered, and the birds are silent. This initial scene sets a somber and desolate tone, suggesting that something is deeply troubling the knight. The speaker continues to question the knight, noting his haggard and sorrowful appearance. Despite the natural world around them being in a state of plenty, the squirrel has stored its food, and the harvest is complete, the knight remains unaffected by these signs of abundance. This contrast emphasizes the knight's isolation and despair. In stanza 3, the speaker describes the knight's physical state in more detail. The lily on thy brow symbolizes the pallor of death, while anguish moist in fever dew suggests the knight is sweating due to some internal torment. The fading rose on his cheeks indicates his vitality is draining away, mirroring the withering sedge mentioned earlier. The knight begins his story, revealing he encountered a lady in the meadows. She was extraordinarily beautiful, almost otherworldly, with long hair, a light step, and wild eyes. These details paint her as an enchanting and ethereal figure, likely supernatural, which aligns with her being described as a faery's child. In stanza 5, the knight describes how he adorned the lady with a garland, bracelets, and a fragrant belt, highlighting his adoration and devotion. Her response to him seemed loving and affectionate, indicated by her sweet moans. This mutual exchange of affection suggests a deep, albeit fleeting, romantic connection. In stanza 6, the knight places the lady on his horse and they ride together. He is so captivated by her presence that he notices nothing else throughout the day. The lady's sidelong glances and enchanting songs further mesmerize him, reinforcing her fairy-like, spellbinding nature. In stanza 7, the lady provides the knight with sweet-tasting roots, wild honey, and manadu, a term often used to refer to heavenly food. She also professes her love to him in a strange language, which adds to her mystical and enigmatic character. This gesture strengthens the knight's belief in her genuine affection. In stanza 8, the lady leads the knight to her elfin grot, or a small cave-like dwelling. Inside, she weeps and sighs deeply, displaying a sudden shift in emotions. The knight tries to comfort her by kissing her eyes closed, a tender yet futile attempt to console her. This scene indicates a more complex and troubled side to their relationship. In stanza 9, the lady lulls the knight to sleep, and he dreams a disturbing dream. The phrase woe betide suggests that something bad is about to happen. This dream becomes pivotal, as it is described as the last dream he ever had, indicating a significant and life-altering experience for the knight. In his dream, the knight sees a procession of pale kings, princes, and warriors, all of whom appear deathly. They all cry out to him that La Belle Dame sans Merci, the beautiful lady without mercy, has enslaved him. This revelation indicates that many others have fallen victim to the lady's charms and suffered a similar fate. In stanza 11, the knight describes the ghastly vision of the man's starved lips in the dim light, giving a chilling warning of his own doom. Upon awakening, he finds himself alone on the cold hillside, indicating that the lady and her enchantment have vanished, leaving him in a desolate state. In stanza 12, the poem concludes with the knight explaining why he is wandering alone and looking pale. The encounter with the mysterious lady has left him desolate and sorrowful, symbolized by the withered sedge and silent birds. The final stanza echoes the first, bringing the poem full circle and emphasizing the knight's tragic and unending plight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more bookish content.